Google product, a boon for every marketing professional. Google Search. Google Search is one of the most popular search engines in the world, and it's an incredibly useful tool for marketers. By understanding how people search for information related to your product or service, you can optimize your website and content to appear higher in search results. Google Ads. Google Ads is an online advertising platform that allows marketers to create and display ads on Google's search results pages, as well as on other websites that are part of Google's advertising network. This can be an effective way to drive traffic to your website and increase conversions. Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a free web analytics service that provides detailed information about website traffic and user behavior. By analyzing this data, marketers can gain insights into how people are interacting with their website and use that information to improve their marketing strategies. Google My Business. Google My Business is a free tool that allows businesses to manage their online presence on Google, including their listing in Google Maps and search results. By optimizing your Google My Business profile, you can increase your visibility and attract more customers. Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager is a free tool that allows marketers to add and manage website tracking tags without having to edit the website code. This can be a valuable time saver for marketers who need to track multiple analytics tools or advertising pixels. Overall, Google's suite of products can be incredibly helpful for marketing professionals. By using these tools effectively, marketers can increase their online visibility, drive more traffic to their website, and ultimately increase their conversions and revenue.